Pranam doston. Today I will share some more Pawanmukhta Asanas. These are basically related to our hands. First one is Mustika Bandhan or hand clenching. Sit in base position or cross leg pose. Hold both arms straight in front of the body at shoulder level. Open the hands, palm down, and stretch the fingers at as wide apart as possible. Close the fingers to make a tight fist with the thumbs inside. The finger should be slowly wrapped around the thumbs. Again open the hands and stretch the fingers. Repeat 10 times. Breathing. Inhale on opening the hands and exhale on closing. The next position is Manibandh Naman or wrist bending. Remain in the base position or cross leg pose. Stretch the arms in front of body at the shoulder level. Bend the hands backward from the wrist as if pressing the palms against a wall with the fingers pointing towards the ceiling. Bend the hands forward from the wrist so that the fingers pointing towards the floor. Keep the elbows straight throughout the practice. Inhale with the backward movement and exhale with the forward movement. The next one is Manibandh Chakra or wrist joint rotation. Extend both arms in front of the body with the fist loosely clenched. Keep the arms straight and at the shoulder level. Rotate the fist together in one direction and after some time in the opposite direction. And this breathing should be in normal way. Practice at least